Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In the previous videos, we designed the head, face features, as well as the body and arms. And in this video, we're going to design the legs together. Keep in mind that you can design the legs in 2 separate layers, which is actually better, but since the goal of this session is to teach basic design and rigging, we don't want to complicate things at the start, so we'll design it in 1 layer. So first, I'll create a layer called Legs, and start designing the character's legs in that layer. To design the legs, I start using the Add Point tool, and when I get close to the joints, I position the points in a way that the design won't get messed up when the legs bend. Now I'll speed up the video a bit so we don't waste your time, but please make sure to watch till the end without skipping, because watching the design will give you ideas for your own work, and you'll learn some really small details from this video. As you're watching this video, don't forget to like it, and since I post videos almost every day, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. By the way, before I forget, as we can see in the image, the legs are placed under the body, so we'll also position the leg layer below all the other layers. This way, if the leg moves, the character's backside will be hidden behind the body and the design won't get messed up. I want to emphasize again that it's not important to get the design perfect at first. All you need to do is create the design, even if it's messy, and then focus on organizing and fine-tuning the points. Using this technique, your design speed will increase by several times. So, as you can see, I've organized my design, and I've also drawn the internal lines for the legs, like the shoelaces and pants seams. Now everything is in its best shape. Our character design is finished here, and in the next video, we're going to color it and teach you some important tips about coloring in Moho. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe because you're going to become a professional animator with my videos.